We're starting the video again today with some work from you from our fractions and probability units. So here we have two pieces of work from fractions. One side has shown us halves and quarters and done a great job, and the other is showing us equal and unequal parts, and it's very creative. Here we have another sheet of fractions with some great looking fractions on it, and another one of our friends coloring in 1/2 and 1/4. This one is a probability jar that says it's likely to pick a circle, and it's true, there's lots of circles there. On the right side, we have a friend who's picking up marbles to put into her lucky dip bag, and she explained it to me as she went. Here are two well done fraction sheets about halves and quarters, and one with a little bit of addition on the top. And this lucky dip bag says it is impossible to pick a cloth from the bag. I don't see a cloth. And is likely to pick chalk from the bag, and I can see a couple pieces of sidewalk chalk in there. Today's learning goal is I can count backwards, so this way, starting from 20. Today I have some math questions for you, just some subtraction to get our mind thinking about going backwards. And I have some questions where you're filling in the blank if you're counting backwards. So for example, let's pretend we're starting at 13 and I've covered the middle number. So 13 something 11. Do you know what goes in the middle? Be 12. I want you to practice counting backwards from 20. So starting at 20 and going backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17. It might be harder than you think. And a great way to do this is to go ahead and go seek. So you could tell your parents or your grandparents or whoever you're with today that part of your homework is playing hide and go seek and counting backwards from 20. Enjoy.
Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ready or not, here I come.
You found me! You can pause here if you want to look at your work. I didn't give you too much today. It's just 3 subtraction questions and then 3 fill in the blank for the pattern, and it's counting backwards, those 3 questions. But what I really want you to do is practice counting backwards from 20 out loud, and hopefully you'll find someone who will play hide and seek with you like I did with Madame Ashley. Enjoy your math. As a challenge, if you get very good at counting backwards from 20, try counting backwards by 2s, like 20, 18, 16, 14, or try counting backwards in French. Enjoy!